Hello everyone. So today we will talk about the mind-blowing technology which is revolutionizing the present and the future. That is nothing other than immersive technology. And immersive technology compromises of augmented reality, mixed reality, and virtual reality. That are the first one of the fastest growing technology today. So many of you are wondering that what is immersive technology. I would like you to tell something about it. So immersive technology creates an extending reality, and this is done by reversing the user in a digital environment having applications in different domains like gaming, healthcare, transportation, etc. This technology is gaining momentum in every past day and hour by transforming and helping in reimagination of future. So let, let us start with the VR, the virtual reality. Virtual reality uses the headset to experience the user in different environment, and a lot of good companies like Apple, Autodesk, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, etc. are spending billions of dollars in VR technology. So you might be wondering VR technology is all about gaming, but in reality it's not like that. The potential of VR doesn't stop here. It is revolutionizing many industries like education, military, healthcare, etc. Another interesting fact you must know these days, Facebook is coming up with the new technology, Facebook Horizon. So you can, if you are interested much in knowing about the Facebook Horizon, you can explore it on internet. So, and I will secondly like to say about the AR augmented reality. It is the technology which present computer generated augmentation on the top of the reality and us to perform our task in better and efficient way. It has many examples like there is a map like in which you can, I don't remember the name, but in which you can fit a furniture to a real world environment and you can see that how it looks at which corner. So these are the benefits, and you might have played the game called Pokemon Go, in which you catch the Pokemon in the real world, and it's really interesting. And many examples are there in based on augmented reality. One and also some you might be using Snapchats, and the filters and effect all are based on the augmented reality. And you can see many companies are working on this technology, AR, augmented reality, and the virtual reality. So in it has the very high scope in this technology, and this technology have the potential that it will you this technology nowadays used and this technology nowadays used at many places as you can see. So and third I will like to say about the mixed reality. Mixed reality is still under development. Mixed reality is still under development, and one of the devices, Microsoft HoloLens, is the best example for that. So I will like you to say you should take some time and learn about these things, AR, VR, and MR.